Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tekin Boy. It's another Simulkuy episode, and in this current episode, it's the start of something big because I would like to start a new series on this 2026, which is series about simulation utilities. So starting from this episode and up to maybe 5 to 10 episodes, I don't know how much I will create videos. I will mainly focus on simulation utilities. And on the first section of the series, I will introduce you to the simulation utilities, like what is the utilities, about the definition, about the main categories, and what are the available utilities in several process simulators, and how it compares from one to another. Okay, so before we begin, don't forget to like the subscribe button if you want to receive weekly content on chemical engineering, and let's go with the explanation. So let's start with the first section, which is about the definition of simulation utilities. Actually, I haven't found a formal definition from textbook because so far from what I have read, I haven't found any simulation book that deeply discuss about the simulation utilities. But from my perspective, simulation utilities is supporting tools and functions that assist engineer in building, analyzing, validating process models beyond the core of unit operation calculations. So I highlighted beyond the core of unit operation calculations. So I can say that simulation utility is actually not the core of process simulation. It is just the additional features which add the value of simulators. Without the simulation utilities, actually process simulator can stand by itself by the calculation of heat mass balance and the result of equipment calculations, but by having these utilities, it will add up the value of process simulators. So it is used to manage data handling, convergence, property estimation, and model evaluation. They are not process units themselves, but tools that enhance model accuracy, robustness, and usability. So the next thing is about the typical functions of simulation utilities, which are thermodynamic and physical property estimation, data reconciliation and validation, sensitivity and case studies, design spec and optimization utilities, and last but not least, scenario management and reporting. But for my current utilities that I want to bring up to the series, I would like to focus on the first section, which is about the thermodynamic and physical property estimation, also some related with equipment sizing utilities and flowsheet analysis. From that point of view, I can separate two major classifications for simulation utilities. The first one is stream related utilities, which is utilities that relate with the estimation of stream property. And the second side is about equipment related utilities, which is related to the sizing or rating of equipment. So let's move on to the utilities at several simulation software. The first one is Aveva Pro 2. Here we have several utilities that you can access from the tools bar, such as flat string, binary VLE, H-curve, and etc. So especially for the spreadsheet, I think it's very unique because the utilities will be export to the spreadsheet, and I think it's quite useful in terms of usability in engineering studies. The next one is Aspen HYSYS. They separate into two classifications, same as what I did at the previous slide. So the first one related with the stream property estimation, or others related with stream calculation, and the second one is about equipment design. The available equipment that could be sized in Aspen HYSYS is air cooler, line sizing, shell and tube exchanger, and also vessel sizing. Next one is Aspen Plus. They have several stream analysis, such as the classic envelope, petroleum distillation, but there are some unique utilities as well, such as distillation synthesis and azeotrope search. I think from the current commercial simulator, Aspen Plus is the only one simulator that can do azeotrope search. The next one is symmetry, which belongs to SLB. So there are several property calculations. So yeah, in symmetry, the only available utilities is related with the stream evaluation or stream related utilities. They have detail, CN analysis, distillation curve, envelope, oil analysis. So you could see here from the list that symmetry is highly related or highly concentrated to oil and gas industries. So the utilities will be closely related to that sector. Yeah. The next one is UniSim, the open source simulation software. They have 3 object types. Yeah. The first one is related to stream related utilities. I think it's quite generic and similar with other simulation pro software. And they have separator vessel sizing and also PSV sizing. Yeah. Next one is UniSim design. They have several utilities under this utility tab or pop-up. Yeah. Several unique utilities here is blowdown utility, depressurizing dynamics, EO blowdown, FRI tray sizing, property table, balance utility, production allocation utility, and also composite curve utility, which is also available in Aveva Pro 2. So from the utilities that I have explained before, I could see there are some common utilities available in all softwares. I could see there are several common utilities that are available in all software, such as envelope, hydrate analysis, and also distillation curve or petroleum assay, something related to the normal boiling point of petroleum. And some unique utilities I noticed. Yeah, the first one is composite curve, which is available in Pro 2 and UniSim design. Free mercury utility, which is available in Aspen HYSYS. CN analysis, PVT analysis, and other analysis related to oil and gas, which is specialized in symmetry. Azeotrope search, which I said the only one up to now. Ternary phase envelope, owned by UniSim, and parametric utility, production allocation, which is owned by UniSim design. So yep, that's what I want to introduce on simulation utilities. Hope you can get the basic of simulation utilities, and on the next videos we will deep dive to each of the basic utilities which are commonly used for engineering studies. Okay, so stay tuned for the next episode on this special series, and see you. Bye bye.